Okay, so Cadet, once again, good day. Our topic is under terrestrial and coastal navigation, no? Uh, our discussion will focus on position fix, no? So once again, if two line of position intersects, we can construct a position fix, no? The ship position on the Earth often, however, a triangle occurs when a third line of position is added in the construction. This indicates that there are errors involved in at least one of two of the bearings taken. No? In practice, we should consider each line of position as the average bearing in a wider sector of, for instance, 10 degrees. No? Position lines. No? Fixing position by compass bearings, no? By ranges, no? Yung layo and yung ating angle, no? Compass bearing. Tower bears 90 degrees. Yan, yung tower natin 90 degrees. Our spire bears 060. So 90 and uh, tower is 090, no? So, yan ang ating dalawang reference point. Bacon in line with the island, 090. The spire is 060. The bacon in line with the headland, in line sila, no? Bacon and headland is now the tower in line with the RH of RH of church, no? So dalawang line of transit, no? Dalawang reference in each bearing, no? And another beacon in line with the spire. Yan, tatlo. Okay, so tatlo ang kanyang reference, no? Cross bearing, the use of line of position several navigational aids to obtain a position fix. Remember to use an optimal angular spread, no? Range and bearing, no? Ayan, magandang dalawang line of position na yan. Okay, so from a reference bearing and a range, the intersection will be your fixed position. Observe fixed position line coming from a windmill and a lighthouse, no? Ayan. A bearing of 205 and 90. The intersecting line of two sector or two angle will be the your fixed position. Observe fixed because it observes from a terrestrial object. No? Okay, ranges when two fixed reference point using their ranges or their distances, and you make an arc on each point, then the intersecting of the two ranges will be the fix. Ranges a precise way to obtain a line of position, and without a compass is to locate two edges to navigational in line. The map Laura Island shows four example of ranges, each consisting of two aids to navigation. No? Okay. Ranges consist of two day marks or beacons used thus line in the direction of the ranges of safe water. If not lighted, shows day mark symbol, no? As square or triangles, no? So yan ang ranges na tinatawag. Interpretation of panel colors is found in the front of light list. If lighted, light symbol and plus characteristic appears on the chart. Cautionary notes. Ranges are usually fixed on land, rocks, or shoals. So, they are not movable, no? So, maganda silang kunan ng fixed position ang mga ranges na yan. Always use a nautical chart when transiting a range, no? Oh. Yan po ang ating range, no, mga yung nakabaon sa ating shallow water. Yan ang ranges, no? Yan. Range. Okay, so transit. Boys must not be used as transits, no? Hindi pwede yung boys. Bakit? Because boys are not fixed, no? They have only a chain underwater to keep them stay on that position. But sometimes, no, there are possibilities that the chain can be cut and it will drift, no? And also, no, maybe that boy is already out of position. So better not to take a reference, make it reference the boys. Excuse me. Okay, so taking bearing on this oil rig, no, with a compass provides us with a compass course. This course first needs correction for both variation and by a ship's heading deviation before plotting a line of position. In the chart as a true course, our position is somewhere along this line. Our true course is 320, no? After applying the deviation, no? Ayan, makukuha na natin yung ating true bearing or either true course, no? Just remember the rule, no? Yung candid man both twice. East plus west minus, no? So, yan ang tatandaan natin, no? Compass to true, you know? That is the rule. Transit, no? Transit peaks. The method of lining up a charted objects to obtain a line of position. Okay, there are two visible structure there on the shore, no? So you can see there is a light structure there, like white light house, and another on top of it. When they are vertically aligned, no? So meaning that is the line of position. If they are lining up together and sa gabi, no, makikita natin yan sila, no? Na yung dalawang ilaw, they are in line. Meaning, if in line ka na, take that bearing and that is your true bearing. Ano? And also, it was sometimes it was charted on the chart, no? Yung ating leading line. Okay, so ayan. Transit are the most accurate type of position line. When two charted objects line up, no, naka-line up, transit are one of the most valuable tools when close to danger or to the land. Okay. Some transits are man-made, intentional, and others are natural, incidental. No? Yeah. Okay, transit, no? Portland Bill Lighthouse, Old Lighthouse, Loads, Cottage. Yan ang mga gandang kunan, no? Okay, pass. Object choosing a transit. When you choose a transit, there are fast and suitable landmarks. Fast, object wide apart. Near mark close to observer, easy to see if line up, sensitive to side wind modes. Suitable landmarks, easily identified. Long-lasting, fixed to the spot, headlands, conspicuous building, easily identifiable rocks, etc. Avoid vegetation, voice, and tide-dependent marks. O, bakit nila pina-avoid yun? Yung mga vegetation, yung mga maraming puno, no? Or maraming damo, voice. Because they are not precise or they are not sa capable to give a exact reference point of an area, no? Sometimes the drift, no, is not visible, no? Okay, so transit, the main benefits of transit are, if you are using transit bearing, there is no compass deviation or variation. You will not apply anymore a compass deviation and compass variation. They can be used when the vessel motion interferes with the use of compass. They are instantaneous and can be monitored continuously. They occur frequently when in confined waters. Okay. Good transit bearing. Beacon in line with the lighthouse. Yan, maganda yan. Ito, oh. If you plot the bearing of this line, no? If they are in line together, it will give you a good transit, no? Okay, so for transit. O, yan. O, no, kanina, talagang in line with the, ano, no? But now, it's poor. Yung transit na ganyan, no? Poor transit. Bakit? Kanina, you are aligned with the lighthouse, no? You are in line 90 degrees when you transit. But in this kind of transit, you are not in line, no? The lighthouse and the beacon, you are already in this position, no? Buoy in line with end of land, no? This may be inaccurate due to land changing due to tidal height. Oh, no, pag tumaas. And the buoy being set by tidal stream or current, no? Pwedeng gumalaw sa kanyang posisyon. Kasi yung kinuhanan niya, line at saka itong isang beacon, no? Mali, hindi maganda, no? So now, for transit, naipikita natin, it's better the fix, no? Uses of position lines. So, clearing line. Ano yung tawag natin clearing line? Clearing line, ayan. Yan ang ating clearing line, which is yung ating dotted, no? Dotted or broken lines here. They make a angle here, no? Nagkaroon na sila ng panukat dyan na once you are passing ayan, that Bengari Headland Open of Balintoy, no? 0.275 degrees clears Karik Mananon. Karik Mananon Rock. Oh. So once nagkaroon ka na ng ganyang angle, no? 0.275, that is your clearing line, no? Sabi natin, no? It clears the Karik Mananon Rock. Karik Mananon Rock. Oh. There is this Karik Karod Maranon. Ito. Once you are, meaning, pag nakita mo na daw itong two inline bearing na yan, yung broken line na yan, ito, at you bears 275, it meaning the Karik Maranon Rock, ito yung area na yan, ay clear ka na dyan. No? You are already cleared. Okay, that is what we call clearing line. Itong dalawang isla na yan, once you have a bearing of 275, nakita mo, nasilip mo sila, the Karik Maranon Rock is clear. That is a clearing line. Balingtoy Point. Balingtoy. Basta, yan na yan. Balingtoy dyan. Itong Balingtoy Point na yan, and Bingori, ito yung Bingori Head are 275. Nakita mo 275. Meron pa isa dyan, Ship Island dyan. Ship Island. Pwede mong kunan yung Ship Island. And then that is the clearing line, 275. You are clear with your Karik Mananon rock, which is ito, no? May bato pala dyan, no? Okay, the leading line. No, ito naman ang leading line, no? Leading line where ito, yung leading line, the storks, yan, bato yan, no? Basta mga plus yan, plus, that is a obstruction there, no? Mababaw itong area na to. So, the storks bearing 083.5, that is your leading line, leading line. Oh. Okay, so clearing line, leading line, use of position lines. Leading lights or range light, a pair of lights or daymars deliberately placed to mark a narrow channel. Okay, so nilalagay daw ito, no? They are putting the leading lights or a range light, a pair, para you stay on this line. You stay on this line in order to keep clear with the shallow or masikip or narrow channel, no? You use a leading line that leads you towards the safest route, no? Once you are uh, uh, identify the lead lights, no? And you nag-bears ka dyan ng 083 on your compass or your gyro compass, maliban lang, no? If you have an error, no? Halimbawa, nagtapat na yung ilaw doon sa loob and you will enter the channel, for example, 084 ang iyong bearing, then you have an error of 0.5, no? Since the bearing here is 0830 30 minutes, which is 083.5, no? There is an error there with your gyro compass, no? So be carefully, no? Be carefully check your gyro, no? Or your magnetic compass, no? Okay, so fix intersection of two or more position line defines a point. Oh, no, that's correct. A horizontal or a vertical line of position gives you a point, no? Like us, no? Okay, we have a position here on Earth. Intersection of two or more position line defines a point bearings, no? Ayan. And another, a mixture of transit, no? There is a transit here, bearing, and a mixture of a bearing, no? It gives you another a fix of position. Okay, so here is the how to use your magnetic compass bearing of a body island bearing 009, no? You sighted on your compass magnetic 009. Then you have to apply your deviation, variation, that gives you a true bearing, no? Just remember the candid man both twice, no? Candid man both twice. So here, no? I think this is 31, no? 31. We have to correct this one. Because according to the rules, candid man both twice, no? That is the rule of a compass to true. When we wanted to take the true of this a body island, our compass is 009, no? 009, and our deviation is 1 degree west. So you have to subtract, it will become 008 degrees, no? 0 degrees, and your variation is 23. So, 23, correction, 23, where is the correction here? Eraser, 23. So, now, we have to, our variation is 23 degrees, no? And it gives us 23 plus 8 is 031. Okay? So 31 degrees, that is 031 here, no? That is 031 degrees. True. Now it's true because we already applied the corrections, no? Okay, so 31, you need another position in order to obtain a fixed position. Now is from this point or what the island. For example, this Gibi Island. Okay, it's not in line, no? Gibi Island, bearing, light bearing of 058. 058 is not in line, 058 bearing. But you have to put here, no? In line with the Gibi Island. You have to put in this line, Gibi Island. Okay. Assuming that Gibi Island is 058 degrees. And then again, we have to deduct 057 plus 23. Then we will have a 080 true bearing, no? And this will become 080 for our Gibi Islands. True, no? Next is our third visual fixed position using magnetic compass again. The point of Atkinson, no? Point of Atkinson, light bearing of 098, no? You have to deduct 97 plus 23. 97 plus 23 is 120 degrees true. So positions are flattened and we have the fixed position on the middle, no? And that is our 1230 fixed position, the middle on the triangle or the cocked hat, no? Cocked hat in a perfect world with due allowance made for compass error, the three position lines will cross at one point. However, depending on the speed of the vessel, the proximity of the object from which a vessel is being fixed, and the accuracy of the bearing when taken, and other factors, it is far more likely that cocked hat will be obtained. The larger the cocked hat, the larger an error on one, two, or all the precision line is likely to be. Ayan, tulad nito, mas malaki yung kanyang triangle, so the error is greater, no? So in this example, there is an error of 3 degrees east on the compass bearing of Point Atkinson, no? Light and a cocked hat is formed, no? So mali ang ating 3 degrees error na tayo kay Atkinson. So it creates what she created when there is an error of Point of Atkinson, no? There is a big triangle created there. So the position will not be so accurate. Unlike the previous one, we have small triangle, no, that creates a minimum, no, minimum error. Okay, that's all for cross bearing using magnetic compass, no. Now the radar fixes, no. Of course, we have to tackle again the radar bearings are subject to compass error, no. Therefore, the best way to obtain a fix by radar is to take 3 radar distances of charted and identified objects. How? Radar fixes, ayun. Meron tayong una, using from Grebe Island, which is electronic bearing marker showing 058. Variable range marker 0.82, no? Ito si Gibby Island ba to, no? Itong ating marker there, no? Gibby Island, 0.82. And using the reference point of Gibby Island, from radar, plot a position circle Gibby Island 0.49. 0.49. Yun naman si Gibby Island is 0.82. Second range from Eagle Island pala, no? From this point to this point. At si Gravy Island naman, ito yung kanina, na Gravy Island ba? Sino ba diyan? Ito. Ayan. So, the intersecting of these two ranges will give a peaks. Mark peaks position and time-based peaks will be half third range. Oh, no? Kung magdadagdag ka pa ng isa, maganda rito. Then you will have another fixed line of, for example, from that island. Ano bang pangalan nito? Passage Island, no? Another fix, then you will have accuracy. Okay, so that is for radar fix using ranges. Now, since GPS, no, I would like also to share GPS, how to obtain position fixing using GPS. The GPS can give an accurate electronic position. First, check the GPS information is live, not on dead reckoning, which GPS reverts with a certain faults. Also check the HDOP. Figure is low, -1 is best. Okay. Now, note down the latitude. This is the given fixed position from our GPS. Just simply read the latitude scale and longitude scale, and of course you have to fix the position. Now you have to insert the peak symbol and time, and that's all, gentlemen, for 3 fixes that I share from you. Let's have a recap: the transit, the cross bearing, the ranges, no, coming from radar, and the electronic position coming from our GPS, and the magnetic compass, no, the bearing. Okay, class, that's all for today. And that's all I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching, and see you next topic.